Excuse the low light and no mic, but listen. I was about to do dishes, but I decided to review this portable dishwasher. So let's just get it done, okay? So I got this portable dishwasher that you do not have to connect to a water source from Amazon. So screw it. I'm down in the lab. Let's just try it, okay? So, did not come with any instructions. Ding number one. But it's not much to put together. You literally just pop this on. This was already together. Put this on here. Pour your little soap right there. And we're gonna plug it in. If I flood this house, at least we're in the basement, right? We're gonna see how well this dishwasher does. Okay. Let's see what happens. All right, so here's the water tank it comes with. It's supposed to be able to just pour the water in here. And it's supposed to take less water than hand washing dishes. That's what they tell you. I'm scared. And then afterward, there's a hose to then just drain the water into the sink. So we're gonna see. Okay, I guess there's some instructions here. It's my first time seeing them. But okay. We're gonna see if I can spin it right, and then we're gonna put some dishes in here. Okay. The dish is tilted forward to the front, blah, blah, blah. Bowls tilted backwards. Fill water tank, plug in power, press power button, select working mode. It uses the child lock, press and hold for 3 seconds. The machine must be placed on a horizontal table for use. Each time add water, it must exceed the water fill. The front of the tableware should be inclined downward. Dish soap detergent with foam is prohibited. Oops, I did it, but we're gonna do it anyway. I already put it on there. All right, let's try it. Let's grab some dishes. Because I was just about to do the dishes. We're gonna try it. Bowls facing forward. Take those plates facing forward. Bowls facing backward. My bowls may be too big. I don't think they're too big. We're just gonna stick some in here. Whatever. I'm just trying some stuff. Put some little cuppies in here. Looking at the picture. And it dries too, by the way. So let's see. Let's have some big plates. Because you know what? This is a real house. So if we're going to be using this thing, and people use it in their little apartments, we got to make sure they can actually use this. So. I'm trying to follow that grid. Nope, that's how it's supposed to go down. Try this shit again. Right here. Get a little closer so there's room for the other stuff. We guys want to put another cup in there just to be sure. Alright, we're going to put you down. That's it. This plate is too tall, you guys. That's the culprit. My plate's too tall. Lean down more. What we're not going to do is tell me that I can't have a certain height of plate. But that's what the problem is. They're playing so I just had to put it closer to the front. Okay, the plate was too tall. Good grief. That's that bullshit. All right, so we'll put the saucer behind it. So 12 plates in front, ladies and gentlemen. God, please. Now I gotta go knock some stars off for this foolishness, right? Can't even get to the good part. All right, let's pour some water in here.
We'll have a measuring cup.
That would have been better.
Or a water bottle.
That would have been better too. So I need hot water.
Why?
That probably would heat it.
Don't try your dishwasher, bro. When they are with the place.
It's full.
Boom, boom. That was the place.
Yes.
Boom, boom.
All right, Chris pause on there, baby. Now pause it. Y'all did that mountain in record time.
Okay.
Was there a lot of people up there today?
Yeah.
No, I'm not recording. Everybody quiet.
No,
That's
no,
nice.
no,
That's
no,
nigga
no. Mine, sir, we will come to you.
shit. Well, pretty cool, huh? Does not need to be connected to no code.
Wait a minute. Now what now? Wait a minute. And the plate there now.
Because that's all I put in there for the test, sir.
Because of the, on the tools, we have nothing there.
What? You see all the water do a spray up in there again? Wait a wash it.
That's actually doing pretty good. That's pretty cool. Yeah, everybody's last minute. Yeah, too much what? Hooligan? She really wants to see a cross. She'll see your face every damn day. She'll see your face every damn day. She'll see a different... Oh, shit! Ouch! That was hot. I didn't have the hose in there. Shit. I thought I did the hose when I was ready for the hose part. Shit.
Or it made the water hot.
It heated it up. I started my water, but it heated it up more. Yeah, I guess I was supposed to have the hose hooked up to put it back in the sink. I thought I put it in later. So just in case it kicks it out again, I should put the hose on there. Connect your hose. That was pretty cool though. So what is it doing now?
I think he needs more water now.
Properly. Yeah, it probably does need more water. Let me put the hose on this time so when it's ready to kick it out. Shit. That cracked me up. Oh shit, okay, it's going. I think it's rinsing now. So let me figure out this hose part. This is not the good time to get the hose figured out.
He can't be paused or something.
I don't know.
Yeah, he can be paused.